Gold prices fell sharply, with spot gold down $45.60 to $2.883.1 an ounce. Gold futures last traded at $2.894.6 an ounce, down $50.70 from early yesterday morning. Gold prices fell about 1.5% on Friday, pressured by profit-taking. However, the precious metal still recorded its seventh consecutive weekly gain. This week, gold gains and safe haven demand drove gold's gains, as President Donald Trump's plan to impose reciprocal tariffs on countries that tax U.S. imports raised concerns about a global trade war. Peter Grant, vice president and senior metals strategist at Zaner Metals, said several technical factors are at play. Gold's failure to reach its all-time high on Tuesday could have created a double top, and some profit-taking ahead of the weekend has taken place. Meanwhile, Allegiance Gold CEO Alex several factors, including tariffs, underlying inflation, and a weaker U.S. dollar, still support the gold rallyers day. Trump tasked his economic team with drawing up plans to impose reciprocal tariffs on countries that tax U.S. imports, including Korea and South Korea, and the European Union. The potentially inflationary move could boost safe haven demand for gold, a traditional hedge against rising prices and geopolitical according Kedia, director of Kedia Commodities. Mr. Trump's tariff announcement was the main move driving gold prices is their announced which irked about a tariff war and its impact on the global economy etc. is slightly overbought, which could trigger some technical profit-taking after the precious metal neared $3 an ounce. Regarding interest rate expectations, a report released on Friday showed that U.S. retail sales fell the most in nearly 2 years in January. This suggests a sharp slowdown in economic growth at the start of the first quarter of this year. However, traders still believe the Federal Reserve will not cut interest rates until September. Data released on Thursday showed that the U.S. Producer Price Index, PPI, rose sharply in January. The previous inflation report also showed consumers' prices rising the fastest in nearly 1.5 years. The domestic gold bar price has increased sharply, and the world gold price, listed at Kitco at 2.8831 United States cent ounce, equivalent to about 88.9 million Vietnamese dongs per tael if converted according to the Vietcombank exchange rate, excluding taxes and fees, is about 2.4 million Vietnamese dongs per tael.